Hi everyone, welcome back to another Saturday vlog. Today we are taking a little trip to the library with the kids. Saturday are all about spending quality time together, and I love making sure they have fun while also learning something new. So right now I'm getting them dressed and ready to head out. We're on our way now, so it took us forever to finally leave the house. Just arrived at the library. There she is. She's trying to get her books. She was taking to the French session. I told her I can't read the French book for her, but she told me that, Mommy, you can do it. I want to read the French book. Like, seriously, I just allow her to do her thing. No, you can't fight with a toddler. You're not gonna win. So here we are. She was trying to do artwork on the table. While I was fighting with the little madam, she was putting crayon on her mouth. I was trying to read for her, but she was not interested. She just want to look at the pictures. I was trying to read. She lost interest very fast. See, she refused to read. Me, I was the one reading the children book. I really enjoy reading it, so because I love children books. Just the thing where I love watching children cartoons. I was just reading it. Why am I so serious reading the book? Look at my daughter. Oh, she know how to draw. That's so cute. Now, finally, I think she's ready now to read. Actually, we're not reading now. We're just flipping the book. She's so more interested in the pictures. Look at my small baby here. Don't know what she was doing here. She refused to read, but she preferred this one over reading. So allow her to have a moment. We came to this session to do other activity. This is me. Yeah. Let's say my head gets stuck, then what will I tell my ancestors? My daughter asked me to do it. This is what we do when you have a kid. She asked me to do it. Say, Mommy, you look like a flower. Oh, that's so cute. What am I doing there? Look at my head. I think I was having for more than the kids. You like it? Oh my goodness. So we're back heading home. Get ready for bed. Once we go home, I go straight to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I did all that off camera, so I was trying to read bedtime story for them. I told her to pick one book because if not, my daughter will pick three books, and already I'm exhausted, so I really need to get some rest. Reading bedtime story is one of my daughter, mostly Eliana, one of her favorite things to do. She loves reading bedtime story before she sleeps. We do that every day, and help them to settle down after a long day. Reading together at night is such a special moment. It's our little bonding time before they go to bed. Now that we say our bedtime prayers, we never miss that. The madam was still busy reading, like she's not done. I was trying to put her to her bed, like she was not ready to sleep. I was trying to put her in a sleeping sack so she can sleep. Here comes the boss baby. She's up. This is what we do every night. She refuses to sleep. Tell me, why is she standing? This one was already tired and she really just want to knock out. She refused to nap during the day, so definitely she's tired. This is me giving her good night kisses and hug. And trying to put the little woman to sleep back to her bed. See the way she was holding my hand? She don't want to sleep. But I just need to turn off the light for her to sleep. Once the kids were asleep, I finally had a little time for myself. Since Sunday I was always busy, I decided to prep my hair for the next day. I love doing this the night before, so I did not have to rush in the morning. Just a quick and simple style to keep things easy and stress-free. I don't want to be bored making my hair, so I was just playing music to keep myself awake because I was really tired. And that is the wrap for today's vlog. Saturday are always busy but so rewarding. I love this little moment with the kids and I hope you enjoy coming along with us. Let me know in the comment section what books your little one loves. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Good night.